And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Up first, the first set of athletes have graced the newly resurfaced track at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Now, TVJ Sports caught up with some athletes that have run on both the new and the old surface, and they are pleased. However, some coaches have concerns. Daniel McLeod reports.
The debate continues as to whether the newly resurfaced track will aid or hinder the times of the athletes. However, based on the opinions of the athletes who have participated so far, it will be fast based on the bounce they are getting off the track.
The track feels different as it is not as hard as it was earlier this year when I would have run on it at Youngster Goldsmith. It definitely feels softer and more bouncy. You're getting more out of the surface and faster times.
The new track, I have to say, it's very softer, very, very softer, way more bounce. Stepped on the track, my foot instantly sank into the track. Yeah, way more bounce. It's just way better.
There is not really much difference with running on it, but the color is just different and it has a more bounce than the blue one.
Despite the excitement from the athletes, a few experienced coaches are not so sure the extra bounce will benefit the athletes.
You have a soft football and a hard football. If you bounce the hard one and the soft one, which one will go higher? The hard one, okay? So if the track is too soft, what will happen is that you spend more time on the ground to try to get the same amount of force that you would produce on a hard track. So that, to me, in itself, would cause the times to be significantly slower.
We would honestly say that if the track is soft, then it won't give that response when the boys hit the track. Because if it gives a soft thing, it does kill every step you take. So if that's what's going on, then I guess we won't get any much records at this championship.
However, coach of Petersfield, Machel Woolery, says it is just too early to say.
So you can't preempt the track and say we won't produce faster. The Class 4 girls competed already. 12-1, 12-2 average time. A lot of girls run 12. The first 24 girls run below 12 seconds. Over the years, that wouldn't be so. So you have a lot of different variables. So let us see where the track produces at the end of the championship, and we have this discussion again versus softer track versus harder track.